What's going on, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be making a crazy dark trap beat for Migos and Drake. I can just absolutely hear them going off on this beat. So this one came out really good, and I'm excited for you guys to watch this one. But if you haven't already, make sure to smash the like on this video and subscribe to the channel if you're new here. You're going to love this content, and we post this stuff every single week. Without any further ado, let's jump right into the video. Is that an ARP? So that would be cool, except it changes it completely, you know? It sounds like a bass instrument now, but what if we put it up an octave? Shit, you guys. I feel the energy in this one already. Damn, this is gonna be crazy. Should we do a clap? Yeah, we should do a clap. I like it to hit around 0, so we're gonna turn this bad boy up. And that's not where I'm gonna keep it at the very end, but for now at least, you know what I mean? It needs to smack so I can hear it. At least for now. Like that. I feel like it should be like this. Let's see. And guys, the more that I hear this, the more I want to get rid of that. definitely smash that like button. And if you're not subbed already, what the hell are you doing? You're cooking up fire. It's just crazy. If you guys have sound toys, I would definitely screenshot this so you can use this, because this is like, it does a little bit of a delay on the hi-hats, which makes it sound a little bit bigger and wider, and it also pans it from right to left, like the perfect amount. But you want to make sure the hi-hat, well, you don't need to, but I'm gonna make sure that the hi-hat is centered first. Yeah, it's centered. Okay. Put that glide on, just do a nice little glidey poo up top. Yeah, our bass is dope. It can add bass to, like, it just adds another thickness, another level of bass. And you can change the sound too quite a bit. You can target which frequency you want to really hit the hardest and go from there. But let's see. So without it and with it, already sounds like crazy. I honestly think it was at a good spot.
Fearless, run it up.
Done with this for now, at least. Hey, appreciate that, Bob. Made it. Hope you're having a good start to your weekend.
Alright guys, so that wraps up the video on how to make a crazy dark trap beat.
If you guys want to catch one of our live streams every single Friday at 7 p.m. Central Standard Time, we go live and we cook up trap beats. So you can see my process from point A to point B without me being able to skip over anything or gloss over anything. You can also hop in there and ask me questions while I'm cooking up if you need help with something like, how did you do this or how did you do that? And I can explain it to you better. So definitely check those out on Fridays. Also, every Saturday at 9 p.m. Central Standard Time, we do beat reviews. So everybody comes in there and absolutely loves them, and they learn a lot about their beats and what they can work on to improve. So if you need to get better and you're not sure what to work on, definitely check those out as well. Also guys, smash that like button if you haven't already, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, because we're uploading videos like this every single week that you're not gonna wanna miss out on. Also, if you haven't, check us out on Instagram, because we'll be posting content over there as well. Whenever there's something going on in the community, they're the first to know it over there. And without any further ado, guys, that wraps this shit up. Love you guys, and I'll catch you again in the next one. Peace out, gang.